Sika Taiwan, established in 1991, has been deeply rooted in the local market for over 30 years. From the highest rooftops to the deepest basements, we offer the most suitable solutions to protect every corner of your property and public infrastructure. Our expertise spans 8 major fields: concrete admixtures, building waterproofing, roofing, refurbishment, building finishing, sealing and bonding, flooring, and industrial adhesives. You can trust Sika Taiwan to handle it all.